Remember the lesson on introducing fractions? We used circle and we learned 1/2 circle and half of a circle. We learned each half is a family of the 1/2 circle. These two is a family of the 1/2 circle. We also illustrated with a donut, an apple, an orange, and also an egg that could be easily used while dining with our family. Today we will extend it to 1/3. 1, 2, 3. 1 whole apple divided into 3. Each is a family of the whole apple. We'll also learn about a circle divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 whole circle divided into 4. Each a part of the family of a circle. 1/3 written as 1/3. A circle divided into 4 parts, each a family of the whole apple, and it's written this way: 1/4. We will extend this learning using other things that we could easily assert in an environment, and so we can extend same concept using other shapes. So I have a triangle divided into 2, called half. 1 a family of the triangle. I also have an octagon divided into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Each part of a family of a whole octagon. I also have ellipse divided into 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each of these parts a family of the whole shape. And I have the last one we worked on today, and a quarterfile divided into 4, partly shaded also. So this triangle divided into 2, one side is shaded. This is called half. 1/2. It's a part of the whole family. An octagon divided into 3. 1, 2, 3. One part shaded. 1/3. I also have the ellipse divided into 8. 1/8. And a more challenging one, we move in a learning process. We learn to move from simple to complex. So 2 sides, 2 of the 4 shaded, we have the 2/4. Your child may ask questions. Be prepared to answer those questions as they come in. This is one of the simplest way we can introduce fractions to our young children from the age of 4. The appropriate age of introducing fractions is from the age of 4. If you cannot lay your hands on this very attractive material, it will also be expensive. There are many things you can use. Just a sugar paper or a hard paper. Just prepare your class for your child or for the children in your class as teachers. We can also go further. These fractions introduces to mass operations, and so I have 8 buttons here. Part of mathematical operations is division, and this one translates into 8 fractions. So I have 8 buttons here. They are in the same color. Why? Because we want to isolate what we are learning or what we are teaching our child or our children in the classroom, and so it's the same color so that you won't mix different colors together to distract the child. So we are going to share these 8 buttons between 2 people. We are dividing these 8, let's use the right word, 8 buttons between Rose and Sam. And so how do we go about it? We give 1 to Rose, 1 to Sam, another 1 to Rose, 1 to Sam, 1 to Rose, 1 to Sam, 1 to Rose, 1 to Sam. And so these 4 buttons are divided equally between Sam and Rose, divided into 2. That is between 2 people, Rose and Sam. This kind of exercise translates into division, which is another mathematical operations. Well, try this with your child, present it. Let's have your comments. See you in the next video. Thank you.